Guys, I'm excited. Today is the day I get to announce that the Jaye Wellness Studio has partnered with Touchstone Essentials. Now, I partnered with them because we just align on so many things, and today I'm going to do a little unboxing video, something that I don't think I've ever done on my channel, and I'm going to go through some of the items that you're going to be able to use and take yourself, because I am a big fan of what they believe in and what they stand for, and I am a lifer now. It comes in a nice sealed box here. Got me a little butter knife. I'm gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up here. And I can't wait to start taking the products even more consistently. So there's some products that I've already tried out, and now I have some new products that I'm gonna try. So it comes all protected here, which is great. Each individual product is well sealed, well protected. And I'm gonna go through each and every one of them here. So in this particular one, that is a hefty box right there, hefty container. So we're gonna just place this here. And so what's nice is it's got some information when you first get your order. Colorful information here. Goes over the anti-aging myths. I love that. It's got like all the things that I talk about and teach about. I mean, what other company does a full breakdown like this? This is gonna go on my wall. I'm gonna have it set up somewhere, and it's just gonna be great to just kind of like have this available, so anybody that comes into the office or the studio, they can like look at this and say, oh, how do I get that? So great product. All of this will be found at the end of this video. I'm gonna leave my website that you can check and get these yourself. So let's go ahead and crack open some of the products so we can go over those. You can see well protected. Got a couple of bags there. Let me set that there. All right, so where should I start? I think I'll start with one of my favorites, and I'm gonna start a new favorite. I'm sure it's gonna be a favorite after I started today. This one is called the Super Green. So Super Green juice. It comes in a nice bag here. This one is great. So some of the details on Super Green juice, it's amazing. I cannot stress how great it is. A lot of you know that I preach so much about getting good greens into your diet. A lot of you that are suffering with sinus related problems, anxiety related problems, some of that can be remedied by just simply incorporating super greens into your diet. It's amazing. I just cannot stress about that enough. Guys, it's just simply amazing. I mean, one scoop of the Super Green juice has an impactful amount of 44 organic superfoods. Not only that, it's an enjoyable mixing powder with raspberry, organic apple flavors, green juice. It's gonna really make you feel so much better. It doesn't have all that added sugar that, let's just be honest, none of us need that. Has 1 billion probiotics and certified organic, and it's very good because it's gluten-free, vegan food, and it's made in the USA. So guys, if you haven't already got it, please try Super Greens. I actually love this one. It's amazing. Now I'm gonna move on to the one I have not yet tried, which I'm excited to try. It's Organic Super Protein. If you're like me and you're on the go, sometimes you can't sit down and get all the protein in. It's one of those times where I'm just in and out, running around quickly. You're gonna need something like this to keep your body sustained. It's extremely beneficial and healthy. It fuels your body. It's clean. It's complete superfood with organic plant proteins rich in BCAAs to support healthy muscles. Now, I love me good protein. I really crave it sometimes. And again, it's just one of those things. Of course, it's not a complete meal substitute, but I'll tell you right now, if you're trying to meet protein goals, or you're just so busy you don't have time to really sit down, and you're like me and you're in and out of meetings or taking care of kids, or you going somewhere, this is gonna be for you. Amazing. Now, all of you know I am very sensitive to caffeine, specifically coffee. I have been doing so much research, and I think a lot of you are on the same page as well, especially those that are dealing with anxiety and problems with, you just feel like you can't get that coffee into your diet because it does something to your emotions. It really bothers you. I am that person. I had to pretty much say I can't have coffee really at all. So I limit my coffee drinking to probably once every 4 or 5 months. Yes, it's true. It's something that I hate to say that because I actually enjoy coffee. I enjoy the smell, the aroma, the flavors. Well, in this particular bag, I have finally found something that is going to replace coffee 100% for me, not even just once a couple months or so. This one is the Boost Focus Fuel. This is one of my favorite ones. I did a lot of research on this before I committed to this particular product, and I can tell you right now, Boost Focus Fuel, you probably can't see a lot of the stuff there. What I'll do is I'll probably put a little snippet right here of all the ingredients, but Boost Focus Fuel has made me already, just trying it only for a few days, I feel so much more alert. I felt like I was already pretty an alert guy, but now I don't have that jittery feeling that I would get from coffee, and I feel so much more like ready to jump into editing, recording, and things that I do for this channel. And this is going to be something that a lot of you may need to incorporate into your diet. It has nothing but organic and great ingredients. You can check the reviews. The reviews speak for themselves. Many people are already using it. And so I just wanted to come on here, share some things that I'm doing a little bit differently. Haven't really been a person to share products as much. I share products that I've used in the past, but not really so much products that I'm currently using. So I had a great conversation with Touchstone Essentials. We are all in alignment. I explained to them I am very particular of the products that I use for my own personal life, but products that I share with my audience and my followers. So I hope you all do a little research yourself. Take a look at my website. I will be pinning it and in the comments, as well as putting it into the description. You can find all these products on the website using my name, and it's going to be very, very beneficial for you. And I think when you see the reviews, you see the feedback, you're going to know right then and there, this is a great thing to be a part of, great thing to put into your body. And I'm going to tell you, I'm 100% on board, and I will be using Boost Focus Fuel for the up and coming busy days coming forward now. So I hope you all enjoy these products. Check it out for yourself. Let me know in the comments if you tried any or you plan on trying any. I think you'll get a lot of great benefits for it. So I hope this video was very helpful for you. If it was, please take time to subscribe to the channel. I try to bring content as often as possible. But in the meantime, I'm going to step out of the Jaye Wellness Studio and leave you in good hands with this video. Like anything else, folks, we're here to simply go back to the basics. Take care, everybody, and I will catch you in the next video.